My name's Stepetin. I'm from Akutan, Alaska.
How long have you been harvesting seagull eggs?
Oh, good part of my lifetime.
What time of year do you usually harvest seagull eggs?
Late May and early June.
How do you know where they're at?
Well, there's Akutan Head. There's a big rock outside of Akutan Head. And then there's 2 islands on the south side of Akutan Island. We just see a lot of seagulls way up on top of the islands.
Is there any special tips to collecting?
No, not really. We just use bucket, take a little bit of the nest, not all the nest, put it on the bottom of a bucket. And the best ones are 1 and 2 in a nest. There's 3 or 4 in a nest, means they could already have chicks in them, and they will reproduce again.
Do the seagulls ever get protective while you're picking?
Oh yes, they will try and attack you. Swoop down, wave our hands at them.
Do you have any other safety tips when you're out seagull egg picking? Like, do you use hats or helmets?
Better wear a cap on or else you're gonna have seagull, what on your head. Once
you've collected them and you make your way back to town, do you cook them right away?
Cook them for ourselves out on the island there. Cook, dozens for ourselves, but the rest we keep to bring home. The way we bring them home is we lay grass on the bottom of the dory and pile them on there.
Slukam Saamlangin. Slukam Saamlangin. How do you cook them?
We boil them most of the time.
They'll be good there for a couple weeks, but they won't last that long. How did you learn to do these subsistence activities? Who taught you?
My elders, Tom Petticoff, Luke Selikoff, all the elders from the village. They're not here now though, but that's why I learned. Well, back in the day, back when I was 10 or 12 years old, we would go over there in his little dory, had a little outboard engine on it. We have to wait for nice weather, and because we are traveling to a different island, we have to go to Qaqamiiġux Straits. They timed the tide. I don't know how they did it. Set up camp, and then, we stay there a week. We'd come in the dory. Nowadays, one day, you can probably get a couple hundred, but we camped out there. We'd come home with like 600. Everybody came down to the beach, helped us, and we distributed them much equally as we can. Whole village will be down there and we distributed out seagull eggs.
There you go. Slukam Saamlangin.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm thinking any of it. Oh my God, seagull egg pie.
Nangahway share. Udigida.
Porque you wanna be cool.